We are going
to the moon.
When
The moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie. It's amore. Today we're going to talk about e-learning and space travel. Well, we are working to colonize the rest of the universe and the galaxies above. We need to learn something.
Absolutely. Guys, this is going to be such a fun topic. But first, we are e-learning partners. We got a free MasterClass.
Below this video. So the next time you're
SpaceX,
going to space,
government,
we got you.
All the space programs, Jeff Bezos, watch this video because this is going to tell you how we're going to save space travel and inspire space travel.
We just going to save people
with e-learning.
With e-learning. So the first thing that needs to happen, it's probably already happening. We're not experts at space travel, okay?
Not yet. Not
yet. We're going to the moon. But basically the first thing that Hector and I came up with in our brains, that was the sound of space.
Actually, there's no sound in space.
See, we're not experts, but basically the first thing is preloaded troubleshooting in e-learning of all of those crazy equipments on the shuttle and the station.
One of the big things about space is that space is unpredictable. Anything can happen in any flight, no matter how close or how far a space mission is. And the beautiful thing with preloaded troubleshoot courses is that, let's say that you are traveling in space and something happens and there's no connectivity. You can't say, Houston, we have a problem, and Houston starts helping you. Let's say something happens with connectivity.
Starlink has its limitations.
There we go. The beautiful thing is with this is that by having preloaded troubleshooting courses is that if there is no connectivity and there's something going on in the spaceship, no matter where it's going on in the spaceship, the astronauts or the people on that spaceship can easily access those courses because they're already pre-downloaded, they're already there, and they can already showcase this is how you fix things, this is how you troubleshoot things, this is how you do things. It is incredible what e-learning can do to help, those emergency case scenarios that we hope don't happen, but if they do, we're not running around trying to figure out what to do because it's already preloaded into an e-learning course.
And to take this one step further, we got to get those QR codes going.
QR codes, and what that basically means is that there are amazing technologies. Talent LMS is one of them. Check it out. We got a link below. QR codes is where you can strategically place QR codes no matter where it is in the spaceship, that when you scan that QR code, because remember, spaceships are very complex. There's a lot of things on there, but you could put QR codes in different areas in all parts of the spaceship that when you scan it, the modules and content respective to that very area pops up instead of having to filter through hundreds and hundreds of pieces of content because spaceships are so big and so complex.
And you gotta make decisions quickly. So if you're having an issue with the boiler, I don't know if spaceships have boilers, but if you were having an issue with some mechanical part of the spaceship, instead of having to go over to a computer screen, looking up that e-learning and all this stuff, that's good to have because you can train while you're flying, but you wanna be able to access it quickly. QR codes. Take that QR code, scan it, get your answer.
And the third thing is you have a lot of time in space when you are traveling, especially if it is a big mission. Now, obviously, if you're an astronaut personnel, there's a lot that you're doing. We're not saying that you're just sitting there with your feet kicked up. However, there is a lot of time, to spend discretionary time when you're not working, if you will, to do other things, which you can learn new things. Johnny.
Yeah, I don't see Harvard opening up an office on the spaceship anytime soon. Just saying that, all right? We talk about Harvard a lot. I actually really like Harvard. I have been to the campus multiple times, beautiful place. But basically, I don't see Harvard going to space. I mean, lots of people who went to Harvard go to space because, you're really smart, you go to Harvard, you go to space. You do all the things. But now you're gonna learn things using e-learning. Anything you want because it is already pre-built and it is on the spaceship. You can learn how to have a garden on Mars.
So, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, everybody out there that owns a space company, hit us up. We would love to help you out, build out these e-learning things.
These are so fun.
Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Thank you for them, and we'll see you soon.
In space.